John wants to see which of the two banks in his portfolio of shares is the better performer, and he decides to use the PE ratio to compare the two banks, and the formula for that's given here. AAA banks are currently, shares are currently at this value, and ZZZ's at this, and AA Bank had earnings of this per share, and ZZZ of this. So if we look at AAA, the PE value would be the market price for the share, which is 33.65. Now remember that's in dollars, and AAA is 207.5, so that would be 2.075 if we make sure it's in dollars. So we have $33.65. Divide that by 2.075. That gives us 16.21, and so on. And if we look at ZZZ, the P ratio there is 32.055 over 2.231. So 32.055 over 2.231, 14.367, and so on. So ZZZ is better because of the lower PE. With PE values, you want the lower one. So this is just information from the first part of the question that we still need. Dividends from both banks are paid twice a year. In the last year, AAA Bank gave dividends at 82 cents and 84 cents per share. So, what percentage of its annual earnings does AAA Bank distribute to its shareholders? So, the total dividends were 82 plus 84, which is 166 cents per share. And the earnings were 207.5 cents per share. So we've got 166 over 207.5 multiplied by 100 to turn that into a percentage. So 166 over 207.5, multiply that by 100. And that gives us 80%, which is pretty high, I think. ZZZ Bank paid an interim dividend of 66 cents per share. It has a policy of paying 65% of its annual earnings as dividends. What would we expect its final dividend payout to be? So if we work out 65% of the 223.10, which is its earnings per share, so 0.65 multiplied by 223.10, so that's 145.015. So that's what we would expect them to pay out, and they've already paid out 66. So 1.5.015, take away 66. So just take away 66 from that. And that's 79.015. And I think we'll just say 79 cents to the nearest cent.